Guys, how's everyone today? So I just wanted to do a quick little video. I saw this report on the internet yesterday, actually, it just came out, about the Honda Accord specifically, and something that the thieves are going after again. And no, it's not these wheels right here. That's still going on. I've seen pictures on Facebook and stuff of the cars on block, so that's sad. It's never going to end, I don't think, until maybe the new model comes out with a new style wheel. But there's another part that they're stealing, and in the video it's the 9th gen that they're showing, so they're not specifying year, but it wasn't that old. Maybe it was a 2016 Accord, 17. But watch the video. I just thought it was interesting, something else we have to watch out for. It's in a different state than California, but I'm sure it's only a matter of time before it comes here. It kind of branches out, since it seems like it's a successful business that they unload this part and, you know, resell them. So check this video out and tell me what you guys think.
Car windows in Medford and stealing the airbags inside. Police say a specific kind of car is being targeted. WBZ's Anna Myler has the story.
Medford police are warning people who own Honda Accords to be on the lookout after a recent string of break-ins. They say the thieves have been smashing through the car windows and then ripping out the airbags.
Not again.
That was Eddie Robbins' reaction when he saw his car window was smashed and his airbag was gone. This isn't the first time this has happened to him.
About 3 years ago, maybe 4, it also happened to another Honda that I had. They stole the airbags, then they smashed the windows. Same procedure, you know.
Medford police say over the past few weeks, thieves have been striking at night, targeting Honda Accords across the city.
Well, Honda's a popular car. From what we're seeing, they steal them, they put it on the black market for sale. On a black market, it's probably worth, $500 or $600.
Bobby Cobb is the general manager at today's collision repair centers in Malden, where Eddie Robbins' car is being fixed.
The airbag's about $1,000, the labor, so it's probably about a $1,200 job. But then they broke the glass, they scratched the paint, damaged a couple things, damaged some stuff in the interior because the glass went inside the interior. So I would say it could be like a $3,000 repair.
Cobb says the thieves can get away with an airbag in about a minute or two, leaving the victims with a big mess and big bills to pay. Robbins hopes the suspects get caught soon.
It's a business with them. We have to pay for it, because you get a deductible, your insurance, all this running around. I don't know if I want to keep the Hondas or, buy another car.
Police are asking people to be vigilant and to watch out for any strange cars or people who may be casing cars in your neighborhood. If you do see anything suspicious, call Medford Police. Reporting in Malden, Anna Myler, WBZ.
So it's pretty crazy, huh? Airbags of all things. I mean, I could see maybe the head unit or something, but come on, the airbags that they're stealing. So it's just like crazy how they're after certain things that I guess maybe trial and error. They try it and it just goes really fast when they resell them. So I would definitely be on the lookout. If you have a garage, park in your garage. If you do have a dash cam, I mean, I'm even thinking about doing this, but where you hardwire it, where if it notices any movement, it automatically goes on. That is a great idea, especially if you have one that's the 360, where it'll show out the back too. I know mine, I can, you take it like this and you can rotate it so it points out the back. I might even do that and then hardwire it so when I park on the street, I can it just swivels, just turn it, and then it'll automatically record, if someone breaks in. It's not gonna stop them from happening. Like the video says, they get in the car and get the airbag out in about a minute. So I doubt you catch them in a minute. But at least you have something to go off of if you go to the police or whatever. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. It's crazy. It's always something, but I would not expect an airbag to be something that they're gonna break in your car to get. So just wanted to share that with you guys. Be advised that that's happening as of yesterday. It's starting to be a huge thing all of a sudden. Hopefully it's not like the sport rims where it's like just every single day something happening. So let me know if you guys have heard of anybody's Accord, these new gens getting their airbag swiped. Let me know. Like I said, I just saw the video yesterday, so it's still fresh, but I'm sure more stories will be popping up. So again, thanks everybody. Just take care of your car, protect it the best you can, and maybe we can help each other out, and hopefully it doesn't happen to you. I appreciate it. If you haven't, please like and subscribe. I appreciate it, all the support I'm getting, I really do. And I will talk to you guys later.